Okay, so I am starting now. So as you know, your chapter has already been completed. Okay, now I should teach you NCERT exercises of chapter number 11. Okay, so what is the name of chapter number 11? Transportation in just mute every plants. Yes, just mute everyone. Okay, I am muted everyone. Okay, so now the name of chapter is transportation in animals and plants. Okay, so just see, as far as the explanation of chapter is concerned, already I have explained. Now what is left now? NCERT exercises. So just see here, the first NCERT exercise is this one. Just you can see. This is the page number 131. Okay, 131. So first one is match the pairs. Match the pairs. So I am going towards the blackboard and will explain you match the pairs. Okay, I am applying color mic. Please keep on indicating whether I am audible or not. Okay, am I audible? Hello, indicate. So just see the first one, match the pairs. Okay, so just see the first one is stomata. Stomata is related with transpiration. Xylem. What is this one? Absorption of water. Sorry, transport of water. Transport of water. Root hairs. Absorption of water. Now phloem. Transport of food. Okay. So once again, just listen here. Once again, stomata. Stomata is related with the transpiration. Transpiration. Xylem, transport of water. Root hairs, absorption of water. Phloem, transport of food. But you should not write in this way. First column 1 and their correct match in column B. Okay? Or column 2nd. So in this way, your the first exercise is completely completed. Okay, so as I told you, don't write in this way, just write column first and their correct match in column second. Okay, now question number 2. What is the question number 2? Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. What is that one? Fill in the blanks. Okay, so now in fill in the blanks, what is there? Just see, I will read the question. Just see, the question is here only. Okay, just see, you can see here. Okay, you can take the screenshot, those who have not got the books. Okay, yes, now first question also I am showing. Yes, yes, okay. So now the first fill in the blanks is the blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the dash dash. Okay. So the blood from the heart is transported to different parts of the body by arteries. So answer is written. Answer is written. Okay. You can write. You can write. Okay. So, first fill in the blanks answer is arteries. Second one is hemoglobin is present in dash dash cells. So, where hemoglobin is present? Hemoglobin is present in RBC. RBC. Okay. And because of the presence of hemoglobin, blood appears to be red. Third question is arteries and veins are joined by a network of dash dash. So arteries and veins, they are joined by the network of capillaries. The answer of third one is capillaries, I wrote. Fourth one is the rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called dash dash. So what is the rhythmic contraction of heart? Rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called heartbeat. So the fourth one is heartbeat. Next one is the main excretory product in human beings is urea. I wrote urea. Okay. Fifth one. Next one is sweat contains water and salt. Okay. So everybody knows when we are sweating, if you just taste the sweat, it is little bit salty. Why it is salty? Because salt is present there. Okay. So the fill in the blanks. Sixth one answer is salt. Kidneys eliminate the waste material in the liquid form called urine. What does it? Urine. Kidney eliminate the waste material in the liquid form called urine. Okay. What is it? Urine. Waste water. Now seventh one. Water reaches great height in the trees because of suction pull caused by transpiration. So the last answer in the fill in the blanks is transpiration. Okay. Agree with me? Is there any problem? Everybody note it down. Okay. I have removed color mic. Please tell me. Have you noted down? Hello. Please speak. Have you noted down? Okay. Just in match the pair, one is extra. E1 is extra. Synthesis of carbohydrate. Synthesis of carbohydrate nowhere related with the columns. Whatever things are given, it is nowhere related with the column first. Okay. So that is extra one. E in column second. Okay. No issue. So can I move toward the next question? Okay. So just a minute. So next question, just see. Next question is choose the correct option. What is that one? Choose the correct option. Okay, only two MCQ is there. What is that one? A. In plants, water is transported through. Okay, what are the options? I wrote only correct answer. Options are xylem. Second one is phloem. Third one is stomata. Fourth one is the root hair. So in plants, water is transported through xylem. Water is transported through xylem. Next one is water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants. Okay. B number. Just see. Water absorption Water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants number one in the shade, in dim light, under the fan, covered with a polythene bag. So, what is the answer? Under the fan. What is the third one? Under the fan. Okay. So, the correct option is xylem and under the fan. Okay. Is there any problem here? Hello, indicate. So the answer of A is first xylem. Answer of B is third. Answer of B is third. Next one question is why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain. Okay. So first I should rub this one, then we'll go for that one. Okay. So just see here the transport of material. Okay, just a minute. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? Question number 4 is, why is transport of material necessary in plant or in an animal? Okay, so I will not write the, am I audible and visible to you? Hello? Hello? Okay, so the question number 4, directly I will write answer. Question number 4, answer. Transport of transport of material are necessary is necessary in plants and animals because number 1, material required by every cells for materials like, please, materials like food and oxygen, food of, just a minute, materials like food, oxygen, minerals required by every cell. Okay, that is why transport of material is required. Materials like food, oxygen, minerals required by every cell. That is why transportation is necessary. Second one is, it is required, waste should not be collected at one place. Waste should not be collected at one place, otherwise body will become toxic. Toxic. So because of these two reasons, transportation of material is required. Okay, waste should not be collected at one place, otherwise body will become toxic. And waste is, and they are produced by each and every cell, each and every cell of the body, every cells of the body. Okay, every cells of the body. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? Okay, question number 5. Question number 5, answer. If platelets are not there, platelets, okay, am I audible to you? Hello, am I audible? Hello, audible and visible? Okay, if platelets are not there, just a minute. Okay, if platelets are not there, in the body, not there in the body, if platelets are not there in the body, then blood will not clot, will not clot, and even if even if minor injury minor injury will happen will happen, if minor injury will happen, entire entire blood entire blood will flow entire blood will flow out entire blood will flow out entire blood will flow out, and person may die. Person may die. Okay, next one, what are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. Okay, so just tell me, am I audible and visible to you? Is there any doubt about it? Okay, so have you written this question answer? Hello? Yes. Any issue? Okay, so write down. I'm not rubbing. Okay. Okay, I will discuss with you. First, you write down this one. Okay. Now, I will write here question number. Hmm. Yes. When fan will be there, then what would be there? Whatever water is getting means transpired, now it will flow away. Okay, rate of transpiration will be more when plant is kept under fan. Okay, rate rate of transpiration I am telling. Okay, okay. Now Prasad, now today co-host, just see people are waiting in the lobby and you are not admitting. Everything I am only doing. Now next make you. Hello? No, you have time and again it is showing that it has been logged. Okay, who has got doubt? Just tell me. Ask. Not duplicate, artificial. There is a difference between duplicate and artificial. Actually, just see in heart what is there? One pacemaker is there. Pacemaker. Okay. Entire heart replacement is not required. Pacemaker they are adding. Okay. So that will also work up to certain period of time. Entire heart cannot be replaced because entire veins, arteries, they are connected with the heart. If heart is replaced, those veins and arteries will not be connected with the heart. Okay, heart can be replaced, but if those arteries and veins are not connected, then how heart will work? Correct? That is why it is very, very important organ of the body. It is connected with so many arteries and veins. Yes. And listen here carefully. Just see. If accident happened and only some arteries and veins are damaged, okay? Only some arteries and veins. So that operation may be successful. But if entire arteries, veins and heart is damaged, then person will die. He will not survive. Hello? It depends upon the extent of injury. Hello? Okay. Shall I delete now? Yes. Tell me. No, it's try to understand. It depends upon where hole is there. Are you getting my point or not? Whether hole whether hole is there in vena cava, whether hole is there in the heart, or hole is there in the arteries. Okay, it depends. Now only doctor can tell all those things because I am teaching you the theory part. Okay, where hole is there, but hole can be plugged. No doubt about it. Hole can be plugged. Okay. Now okay. Now it's okay. Hello. Okay. So I am now. Hello, now I am deleting the portion and will move toward the next question. I have applied color mic now. Okay. What is meta? Okay. Question number 6. Question number okay. What is the question number 6? Question number 6 is what are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. So first one is stomata. Just see. Small pores found on the surface of leaves. Small pores found on the surface of leaves called stomata. Called stomata. Okay, stomata. Okay. Now, what is the function? The first function is function number 1. It exchanges it exchanges gases. Okay, write down here oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Next one is it evaporate evaporate water by the process of transpiration. By the process of transpiration. Okay, these are the two functions of stomata. These are the two functions of stomata. Okay, am I audible? Hello. Okay, am I audible? Okay, So now question number 6 is also over. Now what is the question number 7? Does transpiration serve any useful function in the plants? Explain. Yes, I will write. Transpiration. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7. Answer. Transpiration. Transpiration does two useful two function two useful function in the plants in the plants. Okay, first one, what is the first one? It generates suction pull, because of which water and minerals pulls up water and minerals pulls up, which are absorbed by the root, which are absorbed by the root from the soil. Okay. Second one, since in it water gets converted into water gets evaporated. Okay, just a minute. Sorry for disturbance. Okay, now okay, no issue. Hello, no issue. Okay, since by it water gets evaporated. Since hello, hello. Hello. Okay, just a minute.
Yes, sir, that's on. It's clear, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So just see, little bit I have to complete the second portion, means the second function. Okay, since by it water gets evaporated, hence it keeps plant cool. Since by it water gets evaporated, hence it keeps plant cool. Okay, yes, these are the two useful function performed by the transpiration. Transpiration does two useful function in the plants. Okay, yes,
Not visible, sir.
yes, I am visible or not?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tomorrow I will complete. Okay, So today till question number 7 I have
Sir,
completed. Yes. Any doubt? Any issues?
Sir, I have question.
Yes. Ask.
Sir, that when we get hurt, platelets come and clot that place. So, what tells what?
Listen
So,
here.
sir, what tells platelets to?
Platelets, what they are doing? They are helping in the clotting of blood. Okay. They are helping. Now it is very complex process, isn't it? In higher class you will study. Means your question is how platelets useful in the clotting of blood, na? So there are so many things. Calcium ion is required, one protein is required, that is called fibrinogen. That fibrinogen protein that forms one net-like structure, net, N-E-T, net-like structure. Okay. It is very lengthy. It is a lengthy process. Okay.
And sir, yes sir, and I have one more question, that what stops blood platelets to clot in the blood vessels only?
Means just see here. You are asking when water comes outside, so it gets clot. But inside the blood vessel, it is not clotting. That is your question, na?
Yes sir.
Good question. Just see. When the blood comes out means it will be exposed to the surrounding, na? It is exposed to the surrounding. So just see, there are some enzymes, there are some catalysts which gets functional when they are exposed to the atmosphere. Are you getting my point or not? Then only fibrinogen protein and calcium ion will be activated. Until they are flowing inside the artery, so those enzymes, catalysts, including fibrinogen protein, will not be activated. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes sir.
Yes. So once the blood is exposed to the surrounding, some catalyst gets activated. Because of that catalyst is one inorganic substance, they increase the rate of reaction. Then what would be there? Because of their activity, fibrinogen protein, calcium ion, they will also be activated. Otherwise they will not be activated. Good question. Who has asked this question? Yes, good Aryan Malik. Right question. But same thing.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
If they are flowing inside the arteries and veins, they will not be clot. Yes.
Sir, sometimes the blood clots in arteries also, no, sir. How that occurs, sir?
Just see, that is, try to understand. That is, clotting is in different ways. Just try to understand. Suppose this is because of the constriction in the arteries. Constriction means narrowing down the arteries. Okay. And just see, especially as old persons, time and again what is happening, that due to the flow of blood, what is there? Arteries, minor injuries there, minor injuries. And because of those minor injuries, now cells will piled up. Cells growth will be there. So that particular place, what is there? There is a restriction in the flow of blood. Have you got it? Now sometime blood is clotting in the arteries also, there is no doubt. But that clot is not because of this one, platelets. They are because of constrictions. They are because of injuries inside the arteries. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the blood component which is liquid and contains 90% water, sir. Which blood component, sir?
Plasma.
Plasma, sir?
Yes. Blood has, tomorrow I will teach, blood has got two components, plasma and corpuscles. Plasma is the liquid part and corpuscles are the cells, RBC, WBC and blood platelets. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes, ask.
Sir, can I ask? Sir,
Ask.
how will white blood cells help us to fight against disease?
Yes, white blood
White
cells.
blood cells.
I am not getting. Hello.
Yes, sir. How will white blood cells
White blood cells
help us to fight
wherever
against disease?
white blood cells wherever injury is there, they get accumulated. Okay, and if foreign particles like virus, bacteria, they are entering, so they will fight with those virus and bacteria. Okay, that is why they are the bodyguard of our cells, our body. Hello.
Sir, your camera is off.
Okay. Now it is okay.
Sir,
Okay, now time is up, please.
Sir, your mic is off, sir. Muted, sir.